For this assignment, you're going to sign into Google Classroom, go up to Classwork, and find your assignment for last week that says Leave and Tell Poster and click on it. And then click View Assignment. Now over here on the right under your work, click on the poster you edited last week. Once you're here, you want to screen capture this image because you're going to post it to your blog. The easiest way to do that is go up here to the word slideshow and click, and it will pull it up in full screen mode. Wait for this up here to disappear. You can kind of move your cursor out of the way and take a screenshot of the screen by holding down Command and Shift and tapping the number 3. That will screen capture the entire screen. Then on your keyboard in the top left corner, press the ESC key. That stands for Escape, and it will close that out. Then you can close that tab. Now you want to click a new tab and type in the address to your blog. Remember, you're going to find that on your headphone bag underneath the word blog. It should be your first initial last name, period, WONECKS, period, net. Then you're going to click up here in the top left corner, Log In, so that you can make changes to your blog. Type in your blog's username and your blog password. You're going to find that on your headphone bag under the word blog, next to the word username and password. Now you have your editing tools up here, so you can click the word New at the top, Post. You're going to title this post Leave and Tell, and you can find that right up here. If you clicked View Assignment in Google Classroom, here is the title, Leave and Tell. You can put in the word poster if you want to, but it's not necessary. Now we want to put that image of our poster here, so move your screen out of the way. You can do that by either grabbing this gray portion up here and sliding it over, or putting your cursor right on the edge and shrinking it down. Then you're going to take that image and drag it and drop it. Here's my Leave and Tell poster. There's a check mark there. So I'm going to go right down here to where it says Insert into Post and click. And now that poster is on my blog. So I'm going to hit the word Publish. And then you're going to go right up here where it says hover. You're going to take your cursor and hover over the word Howdy, your name. Do not click on Howdy, hover. And then when the drop down menu comes, click on Log Out. Close the tab. Now go back to your classwork, and you're going to see an assignment at the very top called Leave and Tell Blog Post. Click there. Click View Assignment. And then in this one, click Mark as Done. And then don't forget to go up here and sign out of Google Classroom. And that's how you can get your job done. Once you've signed out of Google Classroom, you also want to put that screen capture in the trash.